Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this amazing training video I'm gonna teach you how to create beautiful nail designs in minutes. I will show you more than 4 nail designs, and I'm trying to show you that we can create all these amazing things very quickly. For example, these beautiful winter birds. If you're good in English, please let me know down what's the name of this beautiful bird. And as you can see, I'm using only two brushes, thin brush and flat brush. I'm mixing together black and white color to create wings and the tail. It's just only one stroke, and we have the beautiful element of this painting. Of course, the composition should be, all elements should be placed into different directions. This way the composition will look amazing and beautiful, not like Chinese stickers. You know, when we use stickers, they look as the same, and it looks cheap. This design looks cheap, but when you draw, everyone can notice and differ the painting and the sticker. And of course, paintings will be always in trend. As you can see, I'm drawing detailed paintings for each bird. I think it's very easy to draw, guys, such paintings. You just should try to train your hands. So just take a look. They're amazing and beautiful. What do you think about this nail design? Please let me know down in the comments. I think this is very original, and every woman will be happy to have such beautiful nails and beautiful nail design. So let's proceed with the next nail design. Okay, and we have practically the same shape of the nail, and what we're doing now, seems like we are applying clear gel and the gel paint. We will make the gradient between clear gel and gel paint, so this way we will have ombre effect. This is one of simplest ways to create the gradient. All these gel paints you can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping all over the world and best prices than anywhere. Okay guys, I'm using now flat brush number 6 and making the gradient. You can find this flat brush on Shape of Nail. The name of it is the brush for French manicure. As you can see, I have already curved this layer. I have removed the tacky layer, and I have buffed nails before drawing on them using the same flat brush. But please guys, remember that you should use the particular special brush for extra brush for acrylic paint and extra brush for gel. Okay, I have drawn with the gradient the Christmas tree, and I'm using now the gel paint for the French manicure, and right on the wet gel paint I'm placing some sugar. The gel paint for French manicure is also available on shapeofnail.com. we have placed the sugar. As you can see, nails are already covered with the top coat. This time I'm using now silver gel paint, and they will these strokes will stay on for a long time. Don't worry, they have 3D effect, so you don't have to cover them with the top coat. It's something like the 3D nail design. And of course, this 3D nail design perfectly is camouflating all fails of your gradient. So if you have some problems with the gradient, these beautiful silver snowflakes will camouflate all all drawbacks, all back details. Okay guys, let's proceed with the second nail design, and it will be beautiful Christmas patterns. This is the Russian national patterns, which are now popular all over the world, are becoming popular. As you can see, I'm using thin brush number 00, or you can use also 0 brush. The client is looking on her hand and she is amazed. She likes it so much. She's asking me to draw more. As you can see, we have applied this painting on already nails covered with the top coat, because this gel paint for the French manicure will be stable, will not be removed. It's very stable on the nail plate and never can be ruined, especially if you place some acrylic powder or sugar on the top of these patterns. I'm using now the acrylic paint, and we curve hand in LED lamp. Please don't forget to remove some remaining acrylic paint before placing it into the UV lamp or LED lamp, because if it's too much, the curing process will be very long. And as an advice, I just want to tell you that it's better to curve this coat for the longer time than you curve regular gel or regular coat of the gel polish, because the layer is thick and you have already placed some sugar on the top, which also makes the curing process coming lower, slowly. That's why it's better to keep hand in LED lamp longer. For example, 2-3 minutes. Just after that, you should just touch it with a pusher, if it's okay. If you feel that you can't press it, and if it's curved in the depth of this pattern, if you feel that, now it's okay. You can finish this set and take congratulations for such beautiful nail designs for our clients. What do you think, guys? I think this nail design looks amazing, and I just spent only a couple of minutes for creating such painting. I think it's great then that we can create such beautiful things for our clients, especially when it takes not so many time, but they always happy to live with such beautiful nails and to celebrate Christmas and the New Year. Okay, let's proceed with the next nail design. If you guys want to create something special for your parents, for your friends, relatives, neighbors, no matter, if you want to train them one stroke technique, you can order the online course. We will give you online DVD, and you can try and train your hand with this technique. So I just covered some stuff with slider nail design, covered with it, and I'm just drawing right on the top of it. So it's very easy. You can create any composition you like, even the Christmas compositions or snowflakes, and after you can seal it with a top cut, and it will be very beautiful. It will be the beautiful souvenir. Especially it's very easy to create, and I think your friends will be happy to have thing that you created by yourself, especially such beautiful flowers, like you can see. You know, guys, when you are drawing such technique, flowers using one stroke technique, as for me, I'm relaxing, I'm having a good time, I'm very happy to create such beautiful composition. If you feel that you are creating beautiful things, and if you like it, if you like what you do, I think this is the happiest things in your life, and it's great when you can present these things to your friends. Okay, so this is it's like the bubble gum. You can draw on the bubble gum, you can draw on the cases of iPhones, of cases of cups, plates, anything you want. It's great to spend the time like this, especially the pandemic days. So acrylic paint you can order on shapeofnail.com too, with free shipping, and brushes are always recommended to order there too. So guys, if you like this video, if this video was useful for you, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you tomorrow. I will make something special for you. Bye.